Are you also looking forward to September, Amsterdam, the IBC? I am, because we have great news to demo to you. I'm John from ShareStoryz, and I would like to talk to you at IBC or maybe before about your stories. ShareStoryz was launched a year ago as an app that has it all. You can create your video content, stitch photos and video clips together to a story that needs to be told. Have the editing functions you need, like a voiceover, or maybe you'd like some overlays to it, or a lower third, some transitions in it, and you really like to make your video story catchy and engaging. We did not sit still. We have added metadata in several ways. We've connected AI, I'd love to demo it to you, where images and videos are analyzed and objects are recognized. We also added metadata that's ready for your newsroom system to find back your full videos. We also have increased the rights and roles system so that your whole team can contribute content and you just approve or disapprove before publishing. You'll be the manager of the storytelling in your team, but have your team be the storytellers. Want to see more? See us at booth 7, C25, IBC Amsterdam, 9 until 12 September. I'll be there. Hopefully you'll be there as well. And meanwhile, get your free account and I'll sign you up for a pro version for the time being so that you can play around with it. Let's talk about your video content and your stories that you created with our app. Good luck.